Oh, happy birthday, Achilles. Love you always. God bless.
My Niues best barbers.
Chop Shop and Coup.
Oh yeah.
What's up guys? Backstage, Owsies Eats.
Pakalofa to my coat. I'm off here to get my teeth cleaned at the dental surgery. Never had this done before, so we'll see how it goes. Teeth clean.
Let's go!
Just finished the dentist. Cleaned my teeth. She cleaned it, she scaled it, she polished it. She said I needed 2 sessions, but because I could handle the pain, I only needed 1. So yeah, all good, teeth done. I've got a few cavities that I need filling up, she said. And that felt good. Teeth clean. She reckons a hygienist every 4 months. Yeah, happy that's done. Okay, reveal. Bakalo to my coat. Here we have a special man here. It's Achilles' birthday. How old are you?
I'm 11.
And what's your plan for today?
So we're going to Gravity.
Yeah.
After this, we're going to go roam around Sylvia Park and then watch stores.
Watch store?
Yeah.
Oh.
The new film.
Oh, you got any words for the subscribers?
Yeah. Thank you for coming, John, and everyone else. And I love you.
Wako elahi.
Have a lovely day. Good birthday.
Thank you, Dave. Happy birthday, Achilles. Hope you have a great day. Got David here, your birthday, and the other people. Kia monuine aho whanau. And heia, whakamo tumo.
Happy birthday, Achilles. We love you so much. Keep being awesome. God bless you always.
Hello. Any words, Hannah?
Happy birthday, Achilles. So happy to be here. So David, happy birthday. Good man.
The boys. Whakalofa to my coat. I'm back here at NIUE'S, East Auckland's best barbers. NIUE'S best barber. Whakalofa to. I'll follow my side.
She's outside. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'll tell Kingston.
Oh, good man, Rush. Maybe just have something to eat.
Hey, lovely.
Sure. Ah, that's right. Oh, good. Yeah. Come to get my. Hey, Christopher.
It's this new room now because
Isolation. Oh. Hey, this is my sister Sandy. Bakalofa to my co. I'm here for a haircut. Look at that. Messy.
it's growing, eh?
Yeah. Here with the master barber, Kingston. Giving me a fade. Looking a bit messy. Sweet. Bakalofa coat. About to get my NIUE'S best barber. The man himself. Kingston. Long Sweet. Hey Kingston, whereabouts do you work?
Chop chop and coup.
Chop.
Panmure.
You chop.
Come through.
What's it called again?
Chop chop and coup.
Oh yeah, come through. Chop shop and co.
On the 18 Queen Street.
He's the manager back again, making sure I don't. Yeah, Sandy, yeah, you starting up a, you got something up in the mix coming up, eh? Something exciting coming up?
Yeah, but you just have to just wait and see because I don't want to talk about it and then it doesn't happen. So
Yeah.
We'll
There
see.
you go, making moves, making moves.
Yep.
So,
How was Quartus?
oh, for Hayden's birthday?
Yeah, Hayden's birthday.
It was good. Uka ke te tongi. Longa tau mena kai.
Longa tau mena kai me taki ke.
Yeah. Kai. Yeah. So homo ke whilewhia.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Pagawa ki tau mena kai ne. Ka tau koe ke te mai ke kai mo breakfast haku mo.
Ai tupe tupe. Yeah. See, makana na kai.
Yeah, makana ka lahi.
Alright, I better turn off the camera so Kingston can focus on this ngahua. Anything to say for
No.
Whai kupu?
Hai whaikupu.
Or nimo ke like, comment, subscribe.
They nearly half burnt it.
Whoa, look at this. That's not a mohawk, eh? Nah. Far.
Not really. I think he's still fixing it up, eh?
That looks good. Yeah.
He hasn't finished yet.
Yeah, whakalofa to my coat. It's got the fade by NIUE'S Best Barbers.
Go
Yeah.
Kingston. Yeah,
Yeah.
it looks good.
Yeah. Thanks.
Still
man.
recording. Still.
Oh, it's recording. Security.
Not me.
Thanks, Kingston. Oh, that's it. Look at that. Being cut by my nephew, Kingston. Off now. What's up, guys? Back. The chef.
What's up, guys? Backstage, Aussies Eats. Hanging out with Niues Bodybuilder, John Eric. Thanks for always supporting our stuff, bro. Yeah, so. Hi.
Alright, we'll see you next time.
Yeah, bro.
Yo. Happy?
Yeah.
It's my favorite, eh?
There's a rice top now. There's a rice top now. There's a rice top now.
Whakalofa to my coat. Well, look at that. Can you see that? O si te e kai. Koe whanga. Man, mawhisi e hoana aku ke kai tau mena kai. Whakoelahi, ours Easy Eats was delicious. Man, what a good end to the day. Good food, it was warm, it was tasty, you could tell it was cooked with love. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Whakoelahi to all the subscribers keep on going up. Thank you to everyone that's watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't like, comment, subscribe, and tō whilewhia. Tō kia.